Here at Wyze, we take extreme pride in the products we make. And our latest piece of smart home wizardry? A lock. For locking stuff. Doors, mostly. From anywhere on the mother-loving planet. To create WyzeLock, we harvested fossilized brontosaurus balls and combined them with locally sourced sustainable belly hairs of unicorns to forge a mythical, indestructible alloy. A metal so strong it has no name. Okay, fine, it's aluminum. Each lock is created with exquisite precision. Read a bedtime story each night and then rocked to sleep by the furry bosom of Fernando, our in-house blacksmith. WyzeLock fits right over your existing hardware. It's like giving your lock a bionic arm. If you want to go on hiding metal keys under doormats and fake-looking hollow rocks, then go ahead. But with WyzeLock, your phone becomes your key. It unlocks automatically as you approach your door and then locks when the door closes. With its built-in gyroscope, it knows when your door is open or when it's closed because it's smart. It's so smart, when it's not locking your door, it's rewriting the last season of Game of Thrones with an appropriate balance of shock value and sensible character development. And if you're out roaming the motherland on top of the last of the great American bison and need to unlock your door for a fellow pilgrim, well, saddle up, open the app, and unlock that door like a Jim Bridger boss. Because who cares if your ancestors crossed the plains and had to draw water from a frozen well just to boil a cup of oatmeal? Sometimes you don't feel like standing up and walking across the room, and that's okay. WyzeLock. Now you're living in the future.
This is the ULTRALOQ Latch 5 Fingerprint Smart Lock, the world's first built-in Wi-Fi smart lever lock with fingerprint ID. Built-in Wi-Fi means no extra accessories and an even easier way to monitor all activity remotely. With an auto lock feature, so you'll always know that your door is locked. The numeric keypad has an anti-peep feature that allows you to enter your code embedded in a random group of numbers. And you'll be notified when your door has been opened. Whether you're at home or away, you can easily unlock your door with the app. With the touch of a button, your guests can walk right in. You can also create temporary access codes, which is perfect for Airbnb guests. Just set the code and send it to your guest. And when your hands are full, simply unlock the door with your Google Assistant or Alexa.
Hey Google, unlock the front door.
The Latch 5 will even send you a notification when the batteries are low. And with a physical key, you'll never have to worry about getting locked out. Weather can be unpredictable, which is why we made the Latch 5 waterproof. And the installation only takes a few minutes. Latch 5 Fingerprint, the world's first Wi-Fi smart lever lock with fingerprint.
Hey, did you remember to lock the front door?
No, did you?
On it. Hold on.
I think it's time to get a new lock. Ooh, I like that one.
So, do you want the keypad with the keys?
No, no more keys. I can see it now. The kids can let themselves in when they get home.
This is perfect for when they get home from practice.
So if I'm in my studio, the app will tell us when the kids are home. This is perfect for our family. This is a good one. My phone automatically unlocks the door. What do we ask the kids every day? Is the door closed?
You're right. Every day. Okay, we got the lock. Now the style.
On it.
That's okay.
Much better. And now for my lock. That's the one.
Wow. Great work.
You're welcome.
This is your old lock. Boring, old, dumb. Your kids are always losing their keys, and we sometimes have our hands full. This is Lockly, an award-winning smart lock packed with the latest features in convenience and security. It's simple to install and comes in different versions, whether it's a deadbolt or latch lock, and fits both right swing and left swing doors. When you close the door behind you, Lockly can be programmed to auto-lock itself. When you're out and about, simply send your cleaner a temporary e-key for access. It can be for a single access or access for an entire month. Push notifications tell you when your doors get opened and when they closed, so you know exactly when people come and go. Customize your dates and times, and send guests access codes to be used, even without them downloading an app. So like Shelby, your next-door neighbor can come borrow some milk. When uninvited strangers attempt to guess the code to your door, you're protected by PIN Genie, an advanced security software that shuffles the numbers displayed on the screen every time someone approaches the lock. While your access codes don't change, the location of the numbers do. And because there are 3 numbers in each button, it's nearly impossible to guess the correct code before the lock disables the screen due to incorrect guesses. When you have family or guests visiting, and there's no one home to let them in, simply unlock the door with our app from anywhere in the world. We're all about convenience, so we have an advanced fingerprint sensor that recognizes up to 99 fingerprints and grants access within seconds. From securing families, rentals, and businesses, Lockly comes in deadbolt, latch, and mortise editions with various finishes. At Lockly, we're all about creating new memories so you can enjoy time with those that matter most. Alexa, lock my front door.
Hey, don't forget your lunch. See you tonight. Alexa, lock the door. Don't forget, Grandma's coming tonight. Yay, Grandma!
Hey Siri, is the door locked?